Hello guys, today I will pick this fab Euro lock that Mike Pergl sent me. Look at this keyway. That's quite a challenging keyway. Right there. The key looks like that. Lock works, but sticks a little bit, but we will learn why. I already removed the C-clip. The cam is not installed properly, but I will pick the side that was obviously outside because a lot of patina on there. I will install it on the vise like upside down, like in Europe. There we go. And I will just pull out an hook out of the roll that Mike made for me. On some it does the job perfect. I choose 25 thousandths of an inch. Some of you already call me crazy, I'm sure. Why I use such a thick pick? Because I don't need something thin like lock picking lawyer said in this video on how to pick paracentric keyways. But you need something to get up inside of the holes. There is the weakness of these crazy keyways. It's not an hard lock if you know how to get inside of there. So enough talking, I will pick it. So the way to open these, I think you have to put counterclockwise tension. So what I will do, and I will pick it for you. Open. Now that it's picked, I will gut it for you with the tools that Mike sent me. Very generous and useful tools. So I will go picked, lock it upside down, and I will use the Euro pin and shoe he sent me. And I will use the hook to pull the plug out. So this little piece right there to engage the cam mechanism, I will just remove him, set him aside. So when I told you why it sticks a little bit, there is some very nasty countermilling there. I don't know why. I think that I really don't know it's from the factory. I think that yes, but Mike will tell us for sure, and I will start gut these. Pin 1, standard, 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 and standard. So that's why the key sticks a little bit, because of this milling right there. So set that plug aside and use the helix tool that he sent me to remove the upper pins. So insert it in, push a little bit on it, and here we go. As easy as that. And pin 1 is a spool. I already got it. Ah, crap. Here we go. Put it on there and I will show you later. We remove the springs too because when you get the hit back together, it's a real nightmare. Again, another spool. A third spool. And 2 standards, but we'll remove them to show them. There we go. So, three spools, 2 standard and all standard key-pins. So, thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal and subscribe. Bye.